Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about Article A. So please go through prior video, that is omission of article, where the articles are not to be used. As you can see, we have definite article and indefinite article. In the definite article we have the, in the indefinite article we have a and an. Now we will be discussing about indefinite article a. So as you can see the example given below, how exactly indefinite and definite articles have been used in various situations. Here a can only be used for the consonants and an is used for the vowels, and the definite for the different situations. So let us see what indefinite article a has. Prior singular countable nouns when they are indefinite and introduced for the first time. Whatever the singular countable nouns have been introduced in a first time, that is, this is a book, she sang a song, they have introduced for the first time. A can be used before the uncountable noun, that is noise, do not make a noise. So whatever has been given uncountable nouns over here, hair, light, noise, paper, room, time, work. These are all few uncountable nouns we have to remember. So prior to that, a can be used. So please remember. So these are all very important. You may be asked in examinations by using articles. You will be having various questions in it. In exclamatory sentences, a or an is used after what and how and before the singular countable noun that comes in the sentence. Here, the exactly what has to be remembered is what a grand building and what a pretty girl. Here, the sentences are in the exclamatory sentences where article a or an is used after what or how and before the singular countable nouns that comes in the sentence. Here grand, building and pretty girl, these are all singular countable nouns. So before to that, this article a has come followed by what or how. So please remember this type of sentences where you can use a article in it. Adverb qualifies the adjective qualifying the noun. The article comes before the adverb. So please remember here there is a sentence, she is a very good student. Here whatever has been given adverb, it is adverb qualifies the adjective. Qualifying the noun, the article comes before the adverb. So here whatever very is given as an adverb, prior to that the article have been given good is an adjective. So in this case adverb which is qualifying the adjective, that is good. So a is used prior to the very. So as you can see, she is an excellent student. Here Anne has been given as an article and excellent is an adjective where you can use that article an. So next we have adjective is followed by proper noun. Use the before that adjective. We love the immortal Gandhi. So here adjective is followed by a proper noun. Love is an adjective which is followed by a proper noun is immortal Gandhi. As you can see, it is a proper noun. Immortal Gandhi is a proper noun. So the before that adjective, so it is used where immortals, prior to immortal, that is the is the definite article. So here we have in place of each or every and per. I earn 10,000 a month. Here per month is used as a month. So you have to use in these situations where a can be used instead of using per or each or every. So I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations which will be useful. A is used before fractions and half or fractions. As you can see, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6. So these are all fractions. 2.5 meter, 3.5 meter. So used before fractions and half fractions. So here half meter, quarter meter. Prior to that, it is A has been given. She has to run half a mile every day. So whatever has been given the fraction, during that situation a can be used. When verb is used as a noun, it takes article a or an before it. So please remember that when the verb is used as a noun, it takes article a or an before it. He goes for a walk daily. I had a talk with them. So these are all few situations. What you have to remember is he goes for a walk daily. So in this sentences, the verb is used as a noun. So he goes for a walk. The walk and talk, these are all used as a noun where article a can be used prior to that. Next we have if, many, rather, quite, such takes a singular noun after them, a or an is used before the noun. In this case, what exactly have been given is many a citizen would welcome such a change. It is rather a pity. It was quite an impossible task. It was such a foolish decision. In this case, everywhere it is given many, rather, quite, such takes a singular noun after them, a or an is used before the noun. Pity, citizen, foolish, these are all few things which are to be remembered where it can be used, that a can be used in it. So please go through whatever has been given. This is one of the finest examples for you in understanding the articles. Next we have in phrases a is used. In a fix, in a hurry, in a nutshell, make a noise, make a food. These are all phrases where article a can be used in the phrases. Next, we have a few words are used before certain uncountable nouns to make them countable. I have a piece of information for you. I had a slice of bread. Here, whatever the piece of information, they are all uncountable nouns. To make them as a countable, we are using a as a countable noun. He gave me a piece of work. Here, a is given because it is making as countable nouns. As you can see the examples, a piece of advice, a knob of butter, a square of chocolate, a deck of cards, these are all few which are uncountable nouns. Please go through whatever has been given in this slide. They are very important. You have to remember the uncountable nouns. Next we have a is used before proper nouns. A Mr. Sharma has come to meet you. Show the whole class of common noun. A bird has two wings. That is, all birds have two wings. Here, bird, which is the indication of whole class of the bird, that is all birds. So prior to that, a has been used. If these words are used in singular, lie, whole, headache, these are all few things which are to be remembered. The pupil makes a noise in the class. Ram always tells a lie. These are a few examples where you can use the a in that. So here Ram always tells very lie has been given in the sense. I request you guys to check my playlist where you will find near about 900 plus videos in it. Here indefinite article. A be used as certain sense. One day a visitor came to my office. Here it has been used in certain sense. One day a visitor came to my office. Here a is the one which is used. A be used instead of any. A peon should obey his master. Any peon should obey his master because all the peons are to obey their masters. When a used proper noun as common noun, a Daniel came to judgment. Here, whatever the proper noun has been given, that is used as a common noun where a can be used. Leo Tolstoy, author. Paris, a city. These are all few things which are to be remembered, which can be used as a proper noun as a common nouns. Next we have used with the number or quantity. A lot of, a great number of, these are all used with the number of quantity where a can be used. Instead of using on, he found her a bed. Here a bed means he found her on a bed. On bed. A equal to on in it. So he found her on bed. We can directly say he found her a bed. Instead all. A dog has a short tail. Here a dog has all short tail. So here where you can use a dog has, all dog has a short tail. Here please remember that a dog has, here a is itself all dog has a short tail, not a dog has all short tail. No, all dog has a short tail is the right one. So where you should not get confused. Instead of same, birds of a feather flock together. Birds of same feather flock together is the correct sense of sentences where you can directly use article A in it. Next we have when used with two adjectives and a singular countable noun, then use with first adjective, that is a black and white cow. So as used like this, when used with the two adjectives and a singular countable noun, then use with first adjective, that is a black and white cow. Here two adjectives black and white are there. In that, the whatever the first adjective black is there, prior to that a has to be used. I hope this session will help you a lot in understanding the article usage of a. Maximum information have been given regarding article a. So please go through my playlist. You will find various pictorial way of teaching. I hope this will be helpful for you guys. Please comment me on the section and message to your friends also. This is the one of the finest channel where you will find 900 plus videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.